Pop everybody, welcome to another video. Please do not mind my hair. I did just take a shower this morning, so my hair looked a little crazy, a little wet, but yeah. Today I'm bringing you another trade recap. How I lost I lost 6,000. I lost $2,000 per account today. I'm not even gonna lie. I have three accounts. I lost 2,000 per account. And I'm gonna tell y'all right now. I did break a rule. I did break a rule, and I didn't necessarily pay for it because it didn't result in me losing a lot of money, but it kind of led to that, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna get into it though. All these trades were taken on live, by the way, except for one. I did take a trade right after, but I'm gonna get into all that. So coming into the day, tripping. Coming into the day that I was bullish, I wanted to see today be a seek and destroy day. I have a video actually coming out later on my daily profiles and what I look for on a daily basis, my daily bias and all that. Today, my bias on the day was bullish. At the time, we had just swept London low. We already had taken Asia high and low during London session, and London's high was left. So I wanted to see London high get attacked. It was relatively equal with yesterday's PM as well. This is known as a seek and destroy model when you have small session, big session. The bigger sessions, lower high was taken. You want to see usually a reversal out of that to continue to take that bigger sessions high. So that's what I wanted to see. We were displacing out of the hourly, the 4 hour. All these gaps were being filled. So from there, I'm waiting for longs off of open. I did not off open, probably like 5 minutes into the market. I ended up taking a long up here. Once we came down, we swept these internal lows. We got this 30-second change in the state right here. I wanted to see longs to all of these highs. So I ended up entering long right around here. This is my first loss in the day. Pretty small. I lost like 400 bucks. Nothing crazy, but this is my first trade from the day. Got stopped out. Second trade I ended up taking came here. I was waiting. We tapped standard deviation of Asia's dealing range. It aligns with consequent encroachment of the 4 hour as well. We had this higher time frame SMT that was holding in place very nicely. So from there, I took this long right here. Stop at the 3-minute low. Break even was right here. TP1, TP2, TP3. As y'all can see, we have just been chopping. Now pre-market, we also kind of looked like this. When I came into the day, I was like, damn, we look pretty but we've been in a box. But I wanted to see today pick us up, especially just with PMI. We have Powell speaking later. I want to see today be higher volatility, be better presented setups, and obviously it was not the case. And the rule that I broke was I told myself once I'm done stream with the group, I will not take another trade, and I did end up doing so. On my trade, I think this was the candle I entered on me, if I'm not mistaken, at 10:03. Yeah, so I entered on that candle right there. We came very close to my stop loss and ended up getting a V-shaped recovery. And as y'all can see, we inversed this internal 1 minute right. So I did pyramid. So now my fill is like here. New stop is here. At this body low, I do not expect us to come back down to that. We have relative equal highs in the 15-minute. Relative equal highs all resting above here. And then we have relative equal at previous day in London. So I'm expecting this to be a very clean long. Didn't get that. And then, yeah. Oh, wait, 1 second. My bad. I was getting a phone call, but what I wanted to see was that be the continuation. We did not have any real or anything else really in my way. So I pyramided right there. As y'all can see, I did get stopped out, and then I took another trade on the 15-second. I ended up taking this 15-second V-shaped recovery because I was like, this does look very good. Tap the imbalance, changing the state. Then we got the inversion right here. So I took this, and as you can see, I kind of just got chopped to death. And that was that. So down on the day, I'll show you I'm down 2,300 per account, which is very painful. It does suck, but you know, we live to trade another day. We do not let one day define us. So yeah, here's the P&L. I'm still in profit on my accounts. I did the third account I did just buy. So that one's in drawdown, but the other two accounts I am still in profit on. So I'm not gonna sweat it too much. But yeah, that is that. That was my day. What I did right, what I did wrong. The last trade that I did take that I ended up taking a loss, I ended up losing like extra 400 bucks. So I could have saved myself, but we live and we learn though. That being said, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. I do gotta hurry up. I got class, so I'm gonna catch you on the next one. I got a good video dropping for I keep stuttering, bro. I got a new video dropping for y'all later today, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, have a great day. Avoid these conditions. Be safe and catch you on the next one. Peace out.